developer in A to Z IT company, and also I am teacher of English in A to Z IT company. And now I am telling something about English. What is English? I got two students yesterday. They were asking me, sir, English is important or not? That time I asked you what happened. Why are you asking me also like that? That time they told me, sir, I went to interview, but because of some reason I fired all from there. Then I asked her what happened. Could you tell me exactly what happened? That time he told, I have something technical skills and everything. I have lot of knowledge about coding languages, but without having English knowledge, I am not able to crack the interview in this situation. That time, that time I recognized and understood English is most important, and also that's why we are here attending lecture and taking lectures of students every day. Why do you know? Especially for internship students here, and that's why everyone has to join lecture, and as soon as possible try to attend lecture every day. If you are giving your 10 to 15 minutes daily, otherwise you can spend your time as you have, like you can spend 2 hours 3 hours daily. It is building your confidence, and it is helping you to build your career and crack interview very easily. That's why I am requesting all of you know about English and also practice daily. And that's why I want to tell you everything. And thank you for joining here in our A to Z company. And also that is our company here. We are building applications and also websites and client side projects here. And also if you want to join with our family, so you will have to practice and hard work daily. Then you can crack any interview and join with our family.